Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create this effect in Canva using the match and move effect. Let's dive in. I'll start by choosing a red color for the first page to match the red car I want to add. Then I'll add the image and remove its background. I want all the cars to face the same direction for smoother transition, so I'll flip it horizontally and position it slightly lower. Now, on to the interesting part, the numbers. I'll add a text box and write the numbers vertically in a row. I added some extra numbers on purpose to make the transition look better in the end. I'll change the font to Futura Extra Bold and increase the size to 370. Next, I'll change the color to fit the palette of this page, duplicate the text 4 times, and go here to space them evenly. Now let's drag each text box to the correct number so we have the year of this car. The first one will be 1948. You can hold the Shift key to keep the text box from moving left and right. I'll press R to create a rectangle to cover the space beneath the year. I'll change the rectangle's color to match the background and position the layer on top of the numbers but beneath the car. I'll add the car model and a shadow element beneath the car to add some depth, then group them together. Now, let's work on the second page. I'll duplicate the page and start by changing the background color. I'll select all the numbers and change them to fit the palette of this page. Now, let's add the second car and remove its background. I'll flip this one as well. I'll add the model of this car. To create the effect of the previous car moving off the page, I'll start by lowering its transparency to 0 and moving it to the right corner. I'll add a shadow element to this car as well, position the layer beneath the car, and group them together. Let's drag the numbers to change the year to 1963. I'll copy the car, paste it onto the first page, lower the transparency and position it in the left corner. Now, for the final magic, I'll add a transition between the pages and choose the match and move effect. And we're done. Duplicate the process for more pages if you want a longer presentation. Thanks for watching, subscribe to learn more Canva tricks and design like a pro.